Hey, Miss Nancy, how are you? It's Leo again. Here is the video that I wanted to get sent out to you. Again, it's just some tips and tricks that you can actually do in-house to bring in more business using your Google Business Profile and your website. Now, I know we talked about having someone that was actually helping you out right now. And again, I don't want to step on anybody's toes, but I just want to go through here and kind of show you some things. And I'm not for sure if they're working on your Google Business Profile. But if not, that's something that I could definitely help you out with too. You should have about 5 to 10 photos added each week to this. So make sure that's completely optimized so you can get to that #1 standing. But we'll run through your website real quick and I'll just show you a couple of things. As you see, I got the Four Seasons Roofing and Repair pulled up here. Lovely website. I love the logo, Four Seasons, and what it represents. Nice photos, nice work on here. But the biggest complaint would be content. Google loves content. 24/7, Google sends bots out to crawl these sites. There was just an update a couple months ago about content. These websites, it's not showing a lot of content. It's going to be kind of hindered compared to the websites that do have content. And I'll show you, like I talked to you on the phone, show you ones that the last one I just built and kind of comparison on how much content you're going to need. So you need about 1,500 to 2,000 words of command content on your homepage. And again, that's because those Google bots crawl this site to identify what you do and where you do the service at. So throughout the content, you want to make sure you have buyer intent keywords. And a buyer intent keyword is just a service that you provide, roofing and repair, and where you provide this at. Now, I know in Canton is where you are located, but I wanted to also show you about Sandy Springs because there's massive search volume there that's not being taken advantage of. But when you're going through this content, you want to make sure that you're also saving your photos as keywords as well, because photos and videos count as content. So right here you see that it's after pick 720 width. That should be something like roof repair, Canton, roof repair, Atlanta, roof repair, Sandy Springs. It should be something like roof repair is the service, Canton is the city. So those are buyer intent keywords, and that's what people are searching. So if someone's looking for service in Canton, they're going to put roofers Canton, Canton roofers. And you want to make sure you got things like that in your content that you're being found for. Roof repair Canton, roof replacement Sandy Springs, commercial roofing Atlanta. These are not keywords. They're keywords, they're more national. Roof repair can be typed in anywhere. You want to make sure when people searching roof repair Canton or any other area that you serve that you're being in the searches and you're popping up first. Now, I love how you got the click to call up here. You got other ways to access your business. Because this day and age, sometimes people are a little shy, a little timid. They don't want to call. So you've got other ways to schedule, email, things like that. So a good job there. Now, what I've done is actually I've taken your website and put it in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're setting. Now, this is your UR, this is your DR, this is the strength of your website, and this number represents the trust of your website. Now, these numbers are out of 100, so you want to keep these balanced and continuously moving up. You've got 150 backlinks with 44 referring domains, and the backlinks are what really powers this website. So I don't feel like you have very strong backlinks to have such low UR/DR numbers. So a backlink is one website linking to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal. You want to stay away from those spammy backlinks. You want to really stick with the authoritative quality backlinks. You could have 1,000 spammy backlinks that doesn't do nowhere near the performance that 500 quality backlinks would do. And again, that's what's powering your keywords. That's what's powering your website to make you be found more. Now, you're being indexed for 88 keywords. And some of these keywords on here, that's your business. So roofing, Canton, Georgia is a keyword. It's a search volume of 80 and a keyword difficulty of 2. And this is also out of 100. The lower it is, the easier it is to rank. So another keyword you have in here is right here, 4 seasons. It's 20 with the 17 KD. That is something that I wouldn't even attack. I would not put any money going into this right here because it's only getting 20 searches a month. Canton Roofing Contractor, that's 100 volume and a 4 KD. You're in a 32nd position with 0 traffic. So this keyword is not being taken advantage of. After a couple months, you should already be indexing for these keywords and getting traffic, at least a little bit of traffic starting to come to your site. Canton Roof Repair, you're in position 39 with 0 traffic coming to it. The only thing that's driving you traffic right now is 4 Seasons Roofing, which if they're typing that in, they're already looking for you. 4 Seasons Roofing, you're getting Roofing Canton, Georgia. You're getting 3 searches off that a month, and I mean, that's it. That's the only keyword. Roofing Companies, Canton, Georgia, you're getting 1 off of that. And then again, 4 Seasons, that's already your company, so people searching you already. So I really hope that some better keywords could get added in throughout this content. And again, needs to be about 1,500 to 2,000 words minimal on this home page. Now, the way I found you, I know you're paying for the ads, the Google Guarantee. But it's very important to be in this top 3 of the map pack. Now up here is the Google Guaranteed Ads, which is a good way to get quick business. But once you stop paying, you're off that home page. And you're not in these top 3. And again, this is something I could help you out with also if they're not helping you in this area with your Google business. There are several ways to get here. You want to make sure that you're constantly adding reviews. Make sure that your business name, address, and phone number is the exact same all across the internet because you do not want to mislead Google. There's also a 750 character About Us section at the bottom, and you want to make sure that that's getting filled out to the max, and make sure that you're adding buyer intent keywords in there as well. Right here, yeah. See, this needs to be completely filled out, and there is no keywords in here. So that's another thing that should be done. By posting geotagged and geolocated photos weekly, it's really going to help you rank organically, and also by adding citations. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the citation, it's simply your business name, address, and phone number, also known as NAP, in Yellow Pages, Yelp, White Pages, Yext, things like that, just directories, because Google's like a big popularity contest. So the more information you're getting out to as many directories as possible, it's really going to start having Google trust you more. And it's going to boost your business not only in your area, but the surrounding areas as well. Now, being in this Google Map Pack is going to give you 30 to 40% of business that goes to your website. It's going to give you a call from there. Now, under the Google Maps, there is the organics. Now, it's important to be in the organics because this is where 60 to 70% of your search volume is coming from. So Pritchett Roofing is number 1 in the Canton area. And as you see, they don't have a lot of content either. So just by implementing more content on your site than theirs, you can start to outrank them while adding those backlinks and such too. Now, this is the reason for the call is I know you service Sandy Springs, and this isn't being taken advantage of on your website. Look at this massive volume here. Just these 2 keywords here added to your website throughout the content is going to help you start to grab a portion of these searches. So it's about 1,000 searches right here. Even if you're only getting 5% of that, that's 50 new jobs a month. That's 50 people calling, able to give them customers. 10%, that's 100. So I definitely think this is something that could be added to your website so you can start pulling these searches from this area right here in Sandy Springs. Now let me show you just an example of one of the websites that I've just finished up for one of my customers. Again, look, this is, I've worked with them for about 2 months, got them up to 21 reviews from 2. And I've just added well over 50 photos in here. And these guys was ranked 23 on the second page. Now they're up to number 8 within a month and a half, 2 months. Everything is optimized here, but let me show you this website. This is what I mean about content and then keywords throughout your content. Get it to pull up here real quick. So this is Plumbing Electrical Flagstaff, Plumbing Electrical Concepts Flagstaff. If you notice, electrician, Flagstaff, Arizona, plumber, Flagstaff, those are bolded, and they are trying to draw the Google bot's eyes to these so they know what the index is for. Flagstaff Plumbers, Contractors in Flagstaff. But notice all the content here. Over 1,500 words of content on all these photos, all these read mores you can drop down. So I really hope this has been informative to you, Nancy. Again, my name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. I'd love to hear back from you about on the email. And if there's anything I could help you out with, feel free to reach out, because I can be that resource for you. And I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you.